was that?
It's like that.
Wow. Do you see that, what she's holding? That's huge. Where was that? Where was it?
In the roof, in the chalet.
The chalet. Oh, wow. That's big. That's bigger than you, Michelle.
Oh, oh.
And winter returns to the homestead. It's lunchtime, same day. And this is how we spend our days. Shoveling out our property repeatedly and trying to keep the solar panels cleaned off. This is consuming our time at the homestead right now. And that's it. It's just existing. We have provisions put in so we don't have to go anywhere. But we keep our pathways cleared. We got to get this done. It snowed them in. But fortunately the panels melted off and we were pulling in some good power for a while. Hopefully this will be passing and we'll get some more power coming in. Well, that's our existence right now. I don't know what all else we'll do this week. You never know what's coming. But right now it's all about the snow. By the way, it's 27 degrees. I'm standing here comfortable. You get used to it. I can't take the heat. Now, I won't be able to stand here for 30, 40 minutes, but I can stand here for 5 or 10 minutes and talk to you in comfort. I never could take the heat, but us Michiganders, we get adapted to the cold just fine. That's pretty. Besides shoveling snow and working on solar panels, a lot of my day is spent right here processing batteries. In the spring, we're going to be doing well. It's going to take me that long to get these ready. I just swapped out 2. I've got 2 more that we're finishing as I'm swapping them out. Blue means done. I'm processing about 15 batteries a day right here, charging them up. So I'm looking pretty good there. I'm also going through these phones. Well, they're not really a phone. They're a enterprise companion, pocket companion, whatever. They're a pretty powerful little pocket computer. I've got an Anytime 2 charging at any given time, and when I just pulled these 2 off the charger, I'm restoring, doing factory reset on the software and getting them ready to go. These batteries came off the chargers, and I'm going to cover up the ends and put them away in a stack, waiting for being put into a big power bank. That is a 32 amp hour, 12.6 volt battery bank. It was an experimental one I tried. I'm going to change it out a little bit. This was not on video. I will be doing one on video for those who are interested, and on my electronics channel, building a battery pack. But this is where I spend a lot of time because I've got to get through these. And I'm also selling batteries and other things. So this is a large part of my day, especially while I'm healing up. And keeps me busy. For those of you interested, a lot of this is on my electronics channel. So you can check that out. The Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Hey everybody, got a box from ThruNite today. It's a bit heavier. Oh, look at that. Oops, sorry about that. That is way bigger. Whoa. That's not your typical ThruNite flashlight. What is this? That's a big box. That's heavy. What do we got here? What? Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I love this. Oh, what a blessing. I'll tell you what. This is one of the best tools. I haven't even got to the flashlight. This is one of the best tools. I use this heavily on my 18650 charging station for AA's, 18650s, and everything. This is awesome. Awesome. I love these things. I really couldn't use that. Now let's see what else. Oh wow, look at that. Four batteries in this. 3100 milliamp hour ThruNite original batteries. 11.16 watt hours. 4 batteries. What kind of a beast is this going to be? It's heavy. Look at the size. Wow. This is like the mother of all batteries. Or flashlights. ThruNite TN36 Limited. I am absolutely excited. This is insane. Where's the paperwork on this? What do we got here? Hold on, I'll be right back. This flashlight has 11,000 lumens on turbo mode and 8,000 on high. 11,000 lumens. You can probably cook with this thing. Wow. Alright, let me get these batteries in here and we'll see what this thing looks like. Generally, let me see. There it is. I'm expecting there's going to be a holder in this one. This one's different. Yeah, there is. This one is unique. Look at that. I don't know how charged these are, but I want to see if this thing... Well, maybe I shouldn't do it indoors. Oh, wow. I'll tell you what. I'm going to put these on the charger first and we'll be back in a little bit. I figure I'll show you how this works. These are awesome. Oh, there's a, looks like a DC input jack. I'm going to have to look into that. That'd be awesome if I can run that on my solar. So it's got AC 100 to 240 volts input, or DC. Wow, 12 to 24 volts DC. Impressive. Wow. This can handle lithium-ion LiFePO4, 26650s, 18650s, 18490, 17335, 16340, 10440, nickel metal hydroxide, AA, AAA, C. Really incredible how much all this can handle, and you can mix and match. Digital, beautiful digital display, waiting for me to put some batteries in there. Auto sensing. You can mix and match different types, different sizes, different capacities. I love that. I love that feature so much, that you can mix and match with these ThruNite battery chargers. I love it. I hate when you have a single AA or a single battery that you can't charge anywhere because it has to be charged in pairs. This thing allows you to charge anything in any combination. I love these things. Alright, I'll charge these up and we'll come back later to this. So the batteries are done. Up here you can see the charging current at this time, which is nothing, how long it took to charge them, and their current voltage. Now they're ready to go. So the ThruNite TN36 Limited has a little bit different way of going through the modes. I have to be careful in the house with this, and I'm not going to get too much involved in showing you this today because of the intensity of it inside, but you can get all the specs, details, and light intensity and outdoors real-world experience on my final overview and field test, which will be coming soon. I just want to give you an overview. There's a big power on button, and it's not too massive or heavy in the hand. Feels comfortable, nice grip. It's a nice solid feel. Power on as usual, and it comes on in the last mode. Always going to be on in the last mode you had it in. You can see it's bright. The camera has to adjust. This flashlight is a little bit different in that it is infinitely adjustable. By holding the button, you press and hold and the light will get dimmer or brighter, either way, and it blinks to let you know that's at the max setting, and that would be 8,000 lumens, infinity high. And then hold the button again and it'll go down lower and lower and lower and then it'll blink to let you know it's hit the lowest maximum point there, and that's infinity low at 96 lumens, which is still impressively bright. You know, when you get something with 100 lumens, some cheap light, I think they're lying, because ThruNite's 100 lumens is bright. So then you can adjust it again to where you want it and leave it there. When you turn it off, turn it back on, it's right where you left it. I love that feature. By the way, there is a charge status indicator, the little happy blue LED, and it ranges from blue through violet to red to show the status of charge, red being it's time to charge it now. Now this one as well has a firefly mode. If you hold the button and long press from the off position, it comes on to firefly, which look, in daylight with an overhead light on, you can see it 3 lumens. Now again, ThruNite is impressive. Their 3 lumens has got to be brighter than your cheap off-the-shelf flashlight 3 lumens. I mean, look at that. That's supposed to be 3 lumens. So ThruNite is probably showing the real deal, and a lot of the other ones are lying, because that is bright. Now when it's on, you can double click turbo. I have to look away. The camera's going to adjust, and we're going to have 11,000 lumens. Ah, okay. Whoa, and double click again and you're blinded. That's strobe. From turbo you double click and hit strobe. We'll go over this again in full detail in the field test outdoors. I'll also go over all the time and minutes and everything else and the fine details on the final review. So stay tuned for that. By the way, it's really affordable for its price. Quite impressive, especially considering the charger, 4 batteries, the massive power of this light. So links are down below. Go ahead and check it out and get yourself one now. Please like this video, guys. Leave a comments below and talk to you later.